Okay, so now we're down in this data analysis section, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a chart where we can compare the same day of the year for all the years the buoy has been working. We can compare the temperatures. So you're going to want to go to your spreadsheet and go to the bottom and create a new tab. Right click, rename. We're going to name this Daily Summary Statistics. There we go. Okay, and we're going to start by up here in cell A1. We're going to write day. And then in cell B1, we're going to start with 2001, 2002. I want to drag this over to the current year. My current year, when I'm making this video, is 2012. Okay. Next, what I want to do is I want to label column A. I want column A to have all the days of the year. So the first one is January 1st. You can leave it formatted like that, where it says 1-January. I want it slightly different way of formatting it. So I'm going to select the A column. I'm going to go to the numbers group, general. No, I'm going to click on this little button right here. And I'm going to say, what do I want? I want it formatted as a date. And the specific type of date I want this is 3-14. Okay, I just want the month or the day / the month. Okay. And we have 1, 2. And then I'm going to drag this down till we get to December 31st. December 31st. Now, the current year, 2012, is a leap year. So it's automatically going to put that in and claim that the year is 367 days instead of 366. You can get rid of that leap year day. It doesn't really matter one way or the other. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of it. Go to 229. I'm just going to right click, delete that row. There we go. Okay, now the next step is kind of tedious. It's not hard, but it is tedious. I'm going to go to the Daily Mean tab, and what I want to do is I'm going to find the first date in January 30th, 2001, and I'm going to scroll down to the last date in 2001, right here, December 31st. I'm going to Shift, click, Control C, come here. Remember that started on January 30th. I'm going to find January 30th, 2001 right there. And I don't want to just Control V. Instead, I want to go to Paste. And I'm going to paste values. Okay. So you're going to see if we go all the way down to the bottom, the last date in January is matching up with 12/31. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my chart here, and I'm going to grab starting from the first day in 2002. I'm going to scroll down until I find the last day in 2002. There we are, right there. Shift, click, Control C. Paste special by values. There we go. Then I'm going to find the first day in 2003. Scroll down to the last day in 2003. You get the idea. Don't forget to paste special. And other than the first year, all of these are going to start on January 1st. Okay, whatever the final year is, it's probably not going to be as long as all the other years, unless you're doing this video on December 31st of the year, which is unlikely. Okay, so in our case, our data is going to end right here for 410, 411. It's actually 410, but because 2012 is a leap year, it's added that extra day. We're not too worried about it. So now we have all the data for all the years that this buoy has been in operation. So now we can start doing some interesting stuff with this.